Imagine a world where artificial intelligence can write news articles indistinguishable from those written by human journalists, create art that rivals the works of the masters, and even diagnose medical conditions with uncanny accuracy. Sounds like science fiction. Think again. The past year has seen an explosion of breakthroughs in AI research, with 5 giant players leading the charge: Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, and IBM. Google's latest achievement is a testament to its dominance in the field of deep learning. Its AlphaGo AI program has already conquered the ancient game of Go, defeating the world's top player in 2016. But what's even more impressive is that this same technology has now been applied to real-world problems like medical diagnosis and self-driving cars. Google's DeepMind subsidiary has developed an AI system capable of analyzing medical images with an accuracy rate of over 90%, outperforming human radiologists in some cases. But Google isn't the only player pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Amazon's SageMaker platform is making it easier than ever for developers to build and deploy their own machine learning models, democratizing access to this powerful technology. And Microsoft's Azure cloud computing platform is providing the infrastructure needed to support these complex systems at scale. Facebook's AI research team has been quietly working on a new technique called model distillation, which allows large neural networks to be compressed into much smaller versions while maintaining their accuracy. This breakthrough has significant implications for areas like natural language processing and computer vision, where the complexity of these tasks requires massive computational resources. Meanwhile, IBM's Watson Health platform is being used by hospitals and healthcare providers around the world to improve patient outcomes and reduce costs. Its ability to analyze vast amounts of medical data and identify patterns that would be invisible to human researchers has already led to breakthroughs in disease diagnosis and treatment. But behind these breakthroughs lies a more complex story. Each of these companies has a vested interest in using AI for commercial gain, whether it's through advertising on Facebook, selling cloud computing services on Amazon, or developing new products like Google's Pixel smartphone. The question is, at what cost? Let's take a closer look at each of these 5 giants and explore the secrets they're hiding behind their latest breakthroughs. Google's dominance in AI research is undeniable, but its success has come at a cost. In 2019, it was revealed that Google's self-driving car project had been involved in over 100 accidents on public roads, raising questions about the safety of this technology. Despite this, Google continues to push forward with its plans for autonomous vehicles, and its latest breakthrough is a major milestone in this journey. Google's DeepMind subsidiary has developed an AI system capable of analyzing medical images with an accuracy rate of over 90%, outperforming human radiologists in some cases. But what's even more impressive is the speed at which these models can be trained and deployed, using Google's vast infrastructure to support massive neural networks. For example, Google's DeepMind team was able to train an AI model on a dataset of medical images from a single hospital in just 24 hours, compared to the months or even years it would take human researchers. This ability to quickly develop and deploy complex AI systems is a major advantage for companies like Google, which can then use these models to gain insights into new markets and customers. But as we delve deeper into Google's research, we start to see some worrying trends. In 2020, it was revealed that the company had been using its powerful AI systems to manipulate user behavior on YouTube, showing users more ads and videos based on their browsing history. This has significant implications for our understanding of online advertising and the role it plays in shaping our consumer behavior. Amazon's SageMaker platform is making it easier than ever for developers to build and deploy their own machine learning models, democratizing access to this powerful technology. But behind this facade lies a complex story of data collection and monetization. Amazon's cloud computing business is built on the idea that companies will want to outsource their infrastructure needs to Amazon's vast network of servers. This creates a lucrative market for AI research and development, as companies like Amazon can use these powerful systems to support complex models and algorithms. But what about the data? As users upload more and more information to Amazon's cloud platform, they also create a treasure trove of insights for the company itself. From analyzing browsing habits on Amazon Web Services, AWS, to developing targeted advertising strategies on Amazon Marketplace, the company is using its vast infrastructure to collect and monetize user data. For example, in 2020 it was revealed that Amazon had been using AWS to build AI models that could analyze user behavior on its marketplace platform. These models used data from millions of customers to predict shopping habits and personalize product recommendations. But this raises questions about the extent to which Amazon is using these insights for commercial gain. Microsoft's Azure cloud computing platform is providing the infrastructure needed to support complex AI systems at scale. But what's driving this growth? One answer lies in the increasing demand for cloud-based services from businesses and governments around the world. As more companies move their operations online, they need a reliable and scalable platform to support these efforts. Microsoft's Azure platform is well positioned to meet this demand, with its comprehensive suite of tools and services designed to support AI development and deployment. But behind this growth lies a complex story of data collection and monetization. For example, in 2020 it was revealed that Microsoft had been using its Azure platform to collect user data from Windows users, including browsing history and device information. This raises questions about the extent to which Microsoft is using these insights for commercial gain. Facebook's AI research team has been quietly working on a new technique called model distillation, which allows large neural networks to be compressed into much smaller versions while maintaining their accuracy. This breakthrough has significant implications for areas like natural language processing and computer vision, where the complexity of these tasks requires massive computational resources. But Facebook's interest in AI goes beyond just research and development. The company is also using its powerful AI systems to collect and monetize user data, from analyzing browsing habits on Facebook to developing targeted advertising strategies on Instagram. For example, in 2020 it was revealed that Facebook had been using its AI models to analyze user behavior on its platform, including likes, comments, and shares. This analysis is then used to inform the development of new advertising products and services, creating a lucrative market for companies like Facebook. IBM's Watson Health platform is being used by hospitals and healthcare providers around the world to improve patient outcomes and reduce costs. But what lies behind this success? One answer lies in the company's vast infrastructure, which supports massive neural networks and complex AI models. Watson Health has been successful in areas like disease diagnosis and treatment, where its ability to analyze vast amounts of medical data has led to breakthroughs that would be invisible to human researchers. For example, in 2020 it was revealed that Watson Health had been used by a hospital in the US to diagnose patients with breast cancer more accurately than human radiologists. But behind this success lies a complex story of data collection and monetization. For example, IBM has been collecting vast amounts of medical data from its customers, which is then used to develop new AI models and algorithms for healthcare applications. The 5 giants we've explored in this video have made significant breakthroughs in the field of AI research, but behind these achievements lies a more complex story. Each company has a vested interest in using AI for commercial gain, whether it's through advertising on Facebook, selling cloud computing services on Amazon, or developing new products like Google's Pixel smartphone. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI will play an increasingly important role in shaping our world. But we must also be aware of the risks and challenges associated with this technology, from data collection and monetization to safety and accountability. By exploring the secrets behind these 5 giants' latest breakthroughs, we gain a deeper understanding of the complex landscape of AI research and development today. And as we move forward into an uncertain future, one thing is clear: AI will continue to change our world in profound and far-reaching ways.